likely.
Oh! Shelton!
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Butler, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, north central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. At 3:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mars, or 7 miles east of Cranberry, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: law enforcement reported wind damage across Allegheny and Beaver counties. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include McCandless Township, Vandergrift, Hampton Township, New Kensington, Lower Borough, Harrison Township, Tarentum, Natrona Heights, Brackenridge, Gibsonia, Oak Hills, Leechburg, Calvert, Evans City, Freeport, Mars, Vicksonburg, Russelton, Nixon, and North Apollo. This includes Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 34 and 43. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Calling 412-262-1988. Posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NW.